Hi, my name is Marco Argenton, and I am the head of product management here at Telit. Welcome to this edition of Telit Coffee Connection Series. Today, I will tell you something about form factors. Well, before doing that, I hope you are having a good time, even better while tasting a good coffee, as I do, an Italian one, if I may recommend. So, form factor, what is it? Well, this is probably the first topic I learned when I joined Telit in the IoT industry almost 10 years ago. Why am I talking about this? For me, a form factor is not just the overall physical dimensions and connections, pad layout of a module and all the interfaces that you can expose to the application. Behind a form factor, there is also the ability to support it through the whole life cycle of an application with the long-term availability and also with the ability to really design different technologies and different product configuration in the same form factor. So back to my experience, in January 2011, Telit was introducing in the market a 3G family with several variants, all based on a new footprint that we introduced at that time, that we called the 910. Well, let me tell you, it was really, and it still is, a success story. A 28 by 28 millimeter device with 44 pads that we used to design a variety of modules that we commercialized from the 3G, as I told you, but a full portfolio of 2G, CDMA, VDO, LTE, and recently also the new technologies like LTE, CATM, and narrowband IoT. And you know what? Those 3G modules that we put in the market in 2011 are still in mass production after almost 10 years. So future-proof and long-term availability are definitely important. But at the same time, here at Telita, we look at innovation. And in this fast-moving ecosystem in which we work and live in, this is a key point, and we are continuing to do that. Consider the example of the recently introduced 310 form factor. In response to the global demand for smaller sizes, lower power consumption, and reduced cost, we created this ultra small and compact, you can see, device that at launch and still is one of the smallest LGA form factors available in the market, ideal for wearable applications. I mean, as a matter of fact, you can easily see that it's definitely smaller than my watch, or for industrial sensor or fitness trackers or any kind of device that you can imagine that are constrained in terms of size. So what do we do nowadays? With the latest and greatest technologies that are allowing us to design a product with a higher level of integration, we have the opportunity to design such a small device with this new form factor. But at the same time, we continue to design on the 910 that I told you before, because we think that it's important to give continuity to our customer in their migration path across the different technologies, but at the same time to help them in the opening of new business opportunities and new designs. So we really hope and we actually strongly believe that this new 310 form factor will become our new flagship in the 10 years to come, and stay with us in this long journey. We will have fun for sure. So if you want to learn more about our offering and about this form factor, schedule a meeting with us and we will talk about it. And also we will drink a good coffee together if you like. So thanks for joining me today and see you around. Bye.